Silence in sales is a really powerful tool. So when you ask a question, allow time for the other person to answer it. Sometimes people need that time. Not everybody can come up with an answer immediately. So allow them the time to answer it and make it feel that you're comfortable giving them that space.
Don't be afraid to use good eye contact, to look the person in the eye while being silent, and also good, positive, interested body language by leaning in, non-threatening, but you're interested. So, power of silence with eye contact and positive body language.
Don't overthink it. Use it when you feel it's natural to you. Where it is actually very powerful as well is when you're actually closing a sale. So when you've actually asked for what you wanted as your outcome, whether that might be the sale, or if they have any more questions, or if they're going to have another meeting, ask the question and then give them the time and space to answer it. That's where the power of silence is very powerful.